Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in my channel, and this time we are going to review the Pentel Fude Brush Pen. So let's get started. Alright, so in the box we are going to get the brush pen, of course, and along with this we are going to get two cartridges, this one and this one. And I've been using this brush pen for like 3 or 4 months right now, and I have consumed about 50% of the ink, as you cannot see in this one. Anyway, so this is how you're going to install the cartridge inside the brush pen. It's pretty simple. So you have to just unscrew the body of the pen and just take the arrow side like this one, and put it in gently and just press it in all the way, and just put the body back in, and you have to just wait for a couple of seconds when you're doing this for the first time, so that the ink starts flowing from the barrel down to the nib. So let's see how this pen performs. So let's go ahead and draw some straight lines over here. So one advantage of a brush pen is that you can get really thin lines as well as thick lines depending on the pressure that you are applying. So you can go as thin as this one, and if you just increase the pressure you will get nice thick lines. So this is one big advantage, and since this is a high quality brush pen, the tip of the brush is really thin. I mean, it's like almost like a point, actually really thin point. Look how thin you can get in this. And the construction of this one is also feels pretty solid. This is not made out of some kind of metal or something. It's all plastic, but I have not noticed any sort of leakages or anything. When you're not using the brush pen, just make sure to put the cap back in and just store it in your pen stand. And one more thing is that this is the brush pen that is being used by Jung Gi, I hope I've got that right, and Scott Robertson and many great artists. And one advantage of using a brush pen is it's an unforgiving medium, meaning you cannot go back and then erase any of these lines. So you have to really think before you put down ink on your paper, which makes your brain work a bit more, and which will help you in achieving a good clarity. So let's draw a few things in this. Let's try to draw a nice simple face. And you can really play around with these things. Although I'm not that good in sketching faces and things like that, this is going to be a nice demonstration video. So if you just apply more pressure, you can just cover up the areas really quickly where you need a lot of ink. And one more good thing is that based on the speed in which you are moving the pen on your paper, you will get different kinds of textures here. So like this, if you move slowly you will get a lot of ink, and this ink is really black. I mean, it's totally opaque, and there's not going to be any kind of bleeding to the paper down below, and you can really get the texture that you want. And let us draw a coffee mug here. So if you want to just doodle, get some, if you want to fill up a whole sketchbook with ink work, I would suggest to just get one of these because these are really nice for filling in the shadow areas, doing quick line work. This is a great investment, I would say. And I've been drawing some cars also in this, and it's a great medium to just fill in the areas of the wheel wells, the shadow on the underside of the car, the windshield, the windows, and things like that. You can quickly fill up those areas. You can also get some nice gradients and texture feel over here. And these ink, they really last quite a while, and as I mentioned, I've been using it for like 2 or 3 months, and it's just taken about 50% of the ink, so it's really not that much. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope this was informative. If it was, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next drawing tutorial. So until then, have a nice weekend everyone. See you. Bye bye.